Then there was another couple, a young couple that came. They had met each other in the concentration camp. And then in the DP camp, apparently got married, or shortly after they came here got married. But anyway, but they were separated in the concentration camp. And he told me that he would sneak out and go to the fence, which I remember him telling me this. He would go to the fence and she'd come to the fence and they would see each other through the fence. And I said, how did you manage that? You know, that was very dangerous. And he said, well, the Nazis would beat you up if they found you there. He said, but she was worth a beating. That's what he said to me. I still remember that. It was like 100 years ago. But she was worth a beating. And I knew her too, and they were obviously very much in love.